I'm a gangster, hardcore, mouth full of ice, son. Gangster, gangster, gangster. Greetings, tribe. This is Fadayz from the Self-Expression Project, Ashe, for all of those who are tuned in to Beyond the Hype Radio, the only radio station on the planet dedicated to the sun children. We present nothing but questions, facts, and music that motivate, and we refuse to play the lies that separate. All right. Today I have a very simple yet complex question that every man, woman, and child of the sundial skin should know. And if you don't know this, freedom is something that you should forget about, Jack. Are you a savage? A colored person? A coon? A field Negro? A house Negro? An Uncle Tom? Just the help? A hoodlum? A criminal? A slave? A person of color? An Afro-American, or just a black person? Why do you connect with the word if you did connect with the word? What's the difference between all of them? Is there even a difference in the eyes of others? Listen. I said it before and I'll say it again. It's unity or slavery, people. Unity or slavery is your choice. Now, to those who are not of dark skin that support this radio station, I respect you. It's just at this moment in time, I'm working on getting my people in line so that they may be able to connect with the most divine and realize that they are the true lions, eaten from the hands of those who are lying. You dig? Ha! Tune in next week. Same planet, same sun. Peace. And as always, you are the adventure you seek.